Hey, what's up, guys? Just got a box of 0910 Panini Court Kings. This is the first Panini box I actually am ever going to open today, so see what we get in there. And but first, we'll open this 0708 SPX basketball pack. Let's see what we get in there first, though. Okay, let's bring the base to the front. Dwight Howard, Kyle Korver. Oh, it's like 2 hits, I think. Just go here first. First is a jersey card of Thaddeus Young, numbered, and then an auto of DJ Strawberry Superscripts. So 2 hits in that pack, so that's pretty nice. Alright, and dang, trying to hover me. And then, alright, let's get this box open. Oops. This is my first box I've opened in a while, so. Let's see. Alright, so, let's see, here's the box topper. See you getting here. You gotta be careful though. Okay. Numbered out of 49. This is an auto, let me see. Oh, it is. Auto box topper of Bill Walton. It's very nice. This is when he was wearing a Clippers uni. Don't really remember that. I only remember him playing for Portland and Boston. I never knew he played for the Clippers too. And it's numbered right here, 35 out of 49. Alright, pretty nice on-card auto, box topper auto. Pretty nice. Alright. Let's see, checklist, and onto the pack. Okay. First card is a base of Antoine Jameson, numbered out of 450. Next is a base card of Channing Frye, numbered out of 450. Next is a legend base card of Spencer Haywood, numbered out of 199. Next is another legend card of Jerry Lucas, numbered out of 99. Next is a Chris Kaman insert card, numbered out of 249. Yeah. Next, insert card of Tayshaun Prince, Gallery of Stars. And that is numbered out of 149. Alright, and here are the hits. First is a jersey card of Portraits jersey card of Chris Bosh. And that is numbered at 299. Okay. Next, another jersey card of Shane Battier. Also numbered at 299. Alright, we got a rookie auto of Taj Gibson. It's numbered out of 649. Oh, that's pretty nice. And then jersey card of rookie jersey card of Tyreek Evans, numbered out of 299. Then a base card of Vince Carter. Alright, not too bad. Got a jumbo box topper auto. So that's pretty nice. So, alright, thanks for watching.